area that I am in, I'm gonna keep it real with you, is challenging because of my color of my skin. I am selling gift baskets on the street in Colorado. Now, the area that I am in, I'm gonna keep it real with you, is challenging because of my color of my skin. Whew. Everybody's not kind-hearted. I'll put it like that. So this is the first time I'm selling out in Colorado for Valentine's Day. It's different. Ohio, I'm sorry, I'm getting lost for words. I had a man recording me. I had people staring at me, shaking their heads like no. And I'm still gonna do what I'm gonna do. If God allow me to be out here, I'm gonna be out here. I am alone. I set up by myself. I'm out here, and I did make a sale. I haven't been out here long because, you know, things got busy today, so I came out here late during everybody getting off of work. And I did have a sale, and he was African American. Okay, now this man, not only did he recognize what I was doing, but he commanded me what I was doing because I told him why I was doing what I was doing. It's kind of personal or whatever, and it touched me so bad because he made a video. I guess he's posting it or something, but just supporting other African Americans is right now. I mean, it's totally different from Dayton, Ohio, you guys. Man, I mean, when I sold, you know, the area that I was in, everybody, you know, but out here, but I ain't gonna give up. I can't. I ain't got no choice. I ain't about to give up. It is what it is. I thank God I'm black. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I thank God that I'm black, and I don't regret it for 1 second. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one. Okay, you guys, I did not record day number 2. I didn't record it, so I'm just gonna talk about it a little bit. Day number 2 wasn't really, you know, same old same. It was dead. I was in Boulder, Colorado again. I was trying to just, you know, make sure, like, yeah, it's time to go and leave that spot. I know you should have been gone, but I just, you know what I mean, wanted to make sure. And also I want to talk about, if you see my prices and y'all like, what? Hold up. Let me explain. Don't judge me. Let me explain. Down here, the cost of living, that's all I'm going to, the cost of living. Man, like, for example, I don't know if it's in your area, but down here, you know how you go to the grocery store and you go grocery shopping and you put your stuff in a plastic bag and your plastic bags are free? Down here, 10 cents a bag. You have to pay for your plastic bag at the grocery store. Walmart, down here, there is no plastic bags. They have like those little, what you call it, they got bags with the little blue duffel bags, and I think they like 70-something cents for the itty-bitty ones that you could hardly put anything in, and then they got bigger ones. I think there was like $2 or something like that. So yeah. And in Boulder, you go to the gas station, let's say you thirsty, you want to get you a 20-ounce pop, $3. I'm not talking about $2 and some change. No. The first number is 3. Okay, $3 for a 20. That's why when you look at my prices and you're like, oh, hold up. It just like people been talking about. It depends on what area you in. That is so true. So true. Okay, so I just want to throw that out there so y'all can know why I did my prices the way I do. Okay, the cost of living down here is very high, so that's why my prices are the way. And I can't now, if I was in Ohio, my prices wouldn't be this high at all. No, they wouldn't. What else did I want to go over? I can't even think of anything right now. But yeah, that's basically the only things I really wanted to go over for this. I mean, as far as the second day. Oh, my location, how I came upon my location. When I went to Boulder, I kept getting all no's. Like I went to, I don't know how many companies, areas out of respect. I asked, hey, can I go in the parking lot, like Target and, you know, stuff like that. All the grocery stores, no, flat out no. Some people were so rude, like before I can even speak, and no, like cut you off type stuff. And oh, just thinking about it. But then I went to a gas station and I asked them, and he called. He was like, well, I gotta call and see blah 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 blah. And he was like, no, you gotta ask in advance, blah blah blah. So when I was looking out the window, and right across the street it was an abandoned restaurant. So I'm like, boom, there it is. I'm about to be over there, because who am I gonna ask? There's nobody to ask, right? It's abandoned. And then in case of emergency, I'll be right across the street from the gas station. Right next to it, it was like construction work or whatever. So that's why I chose that location. Okay, so it unfortunately did not work. Like I said, it didn't really work out for me. I felt so uncomfortable, you guys, and at that time I was alone. So I really, you know, me being an African American female, I had to be careful. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But yeah, that was day number 2. I'm gonna throw a clip of my setup in the U-Haul. I don't want to forget that. It's super simple, super quick. Yeah. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and I'm gonna go over day 3, and yeah, that'll be it for this video. Alright, it's actually day 3 of selling on the streets. I had a very bad experience in Boulder, so I moved locations to a different city, and my outcome is basically the same. So you already know what happened. I already told you guys what happened my first day. Man, I felt so uncomfortable. It's like I lived in Boulder, Colorado when I was young. Like, I'm talking about elementary school, middle school, and even high school. That's the crazy part. And I never had any racial experiences. Like, I have never heard anybody call me the N-word. I never, you know what I mean, was bullied over nothing. I mean, I loved my I love my childhood. I had, man, a lot of friends. Everybody was kind. I mean, I had fun. And me moving back here, it totally changed, you guys. You guys got to forgive me. I got to still look around my surroundings. Okay, so my biggest issue is finding a location. Every time I ask permission and go to companies and ask, you know, I get straight away no. Now, today I was blessed. Somebody actually said yes. Of course, like I said, I'm in a different city. And so they said yes to me. So I'm truly grateful, but, you know, it's dead. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's super, super dead. And okay, so the first day, I'm jumping all around, you guys. So I told you my experience was not so well. Well, it was, I was blessed, so it wasn't bad, because like I said, the one gentleman who supported me, I thank him. If you ever see this video, I thank you. I appreciate you. And I wanted to tell you some more of what happened that exact same day. So like I said, I only got that sale for that day. And so I seen a young lady on the highway. It was kind of dangerous to me, but you know, it's not my place to judge. So she was selling flowers, okay? And I was just watching, because you know, it was at red light. We was at a red light, and I was just watching, and the look on this woman's face, the look on this woman's face, it was like defeat. That's how I saw it. Like, she was just defeated. Like, and I know that feeling all so well. So when I was at the red stop line, I just rolled down my window and gave her, y'all gonna think I'm nuts. This is just me. I do it all the time. Even though I only got one sale, I shared it with her. I just, man, the way people was looking at her like she was a nothing. I mean, I watched it. People are so cold-hearted. Now, this is a well-off area. I'm talking about doctors and lawyers, just well-off, you know. Like, if they look, you know what I mean, $100, it's $1 to them. You know what I mean? Like that type well-off. You see what I'm saying? So money ain't an issue for them. And the way they be looking at people and looking down on people, and I just feel, oh man, my heart, because I know, and it's like, man, I don't remember, I never remembered it like that when I was growing up. And how it is now, I'm like, man, it just felt like, they just look down on you like you nothing. And we were poor when I was young, okay? So I don't know how my mom did it, living in that area. I have no clue, but we did. And we had it nice. I mean, far as friends, people never judged us, nothing. I used to pretend like I was rich when I went with them. So, you know, I'm gonna keep it real. I had a ball. And yeah, so it's just now, it's just so different. And like today, I'm sitting here, it's dead, like I said, and a homeless couple came up to me, and they was just asking me prices, and I was just talking to them. I don't judge nobody, especially if you, oof. Anyway, and that's a whole nother story for a whole nother time. Let me stay focused. And I just wanted to bless them, so I just gave them stuff for free. I sure did. Stuff, you know, because in the baskets is body care and, you know, stuff like that. Something small that they could carry and put them in their bags, because they was carrying their luggage with them. You know, when you homeless, you got to, you know, carry what you can. So I wanted to keep it small, not because I was trying to be selfish and just give them small gifts, but something that they can carry in their luggage. I didn't want to give them something bulky where they had, you know what I mean? So I wanted to give them something that they need, that they can use. And I'm sitting here looking around. I see all these homeless people just walking past, and my heart. So my plan is, I want to make packages just for them. I'm gonna pull up in this U-Haul. I'm gonna just, man, I don't care if I don't make $1 down here. I mean, God knows me. He knows my heart. And I'm going to get out, and I'm going to bless them. Because I know how it feels. So I know how it feels. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So even though, like, I could look at the situation where I'm like, oh man, this sucks, I hate it here, blah 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 blah, and I'm not gonna do that. Oh, my lips is dry, y'all excuse me. I don't want to feel defeated. I'm still gonna show up. You know, it is what it is, you know. I thought my outcome was going to be totally different, but it's a learning experience. It's definitely a learning experience. Do I want to move back to Ohio? I don't know. Like, ooh. Hold on, y'all. Oh, it's dry. Ooh, now it's too greasy. Good Lord. Good Lord. That stuff is thick. Ooh, let me pay attention. I am sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. Okay, let me hurry up with this video. So I'm out here. Even, you know, I'm gonna stay out here for a little while, but yeah, it's dead. I'm not gonna lie, it's different from when I was in Ohio. Cause man, but we're gonna see. Still got 2 more days, so I'm out here. So with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.